Hakasan tarik Nailur, haka jingrakhe ke Burom Nonghikai, Mynthong District Library, bala pyniaid ke ophis District School Education Officer West Jaiñtia Hills District, symbud myntri ryngbah ke Jylla Sñiawbhalang Dhar, haba kren kongsan ula batai ke kam ke sorkar MDA, dah ke Burom bakal le shibun ban pynroi ke puthi kynthup ke jingwanrah ke community college, ke jingmang ke sorkar haduh shihajar news pa arpau tili ke school na ke bentaban penbha pyniaid, bachna thamai ke school LP UP, ban shah skor bat pelat yaki ne ke jing hak bayade ki nong shet jing bam sngi na ke benta ki khana school halor ke jing ke Kiang Nangbah Govt College Juwai ulai thu badang shen ki la depan arpho klur na ke Ministry of Donor na ke benta ban chna penhe bat penbha shu ke college ka balamat ke jing khapnya Hakani ke Burom Nonghikai ladon lang ba wailat Miki Jylla Emily ke Juwai kum symbud kongsan Deputy Commissioner ba BS Solia bat Superintendent of Police ba si Sirti udoloi ke elaka Juwai bat kilong kemi long pa la samru ye ki district award haka kedan secondary balayo da kong one hok lamar vice principal ke QC Springside High Secondary School haka upper primary layo do ubaha ohiwat lalu assistant teacher Government Girls High Secondary School Juwai haka lower primary layo da kong Hilarious Manar head teacher Umladkur Government LP School Khongla Iaka Best Scouts Master layo do ba Jonas Kepala Tombs Memorial Scout Troop Secondary School Muralong Juwai katbay ka Best Guide Captain layo da ka Dolly Lamare Little Angels Guide Company Secondary School Musa Lengkhat Juwai lapin po penpieng ye kini kesngi di kejing ruai bat jing syat ni kena school kum kadak pen i kejing Burom bat jing sngongu Nonghikai haka district Berok Kawe
Enggumen that send them come kita tak plus minus, you should know what does it mean. Kita harus bikin kuat implementnya. Kali kita cari implement kami step lah. So as your leader, I have to listen both. I keep it in abeyance for the time being. And I have keep in abeyance. Semua dia encourage, dia kawan mungkin share duty yang kuat improve, dia duty yang in the days to come. Di hajar keluar government di tibora education sector mendunai kali hajar keluar sistem suatu lobby. Nei bentau kamu ruang rakyat student di kongo mayai yo man keluar yo gari. And only ways we can do it, we should be a teamwork and between all of us. Kan itu kualiti. Da percaya sangson kan yo warok diskur kamu ngampikat ku ye. Buat ke sorkar wujud sanction dengan khatnya sepak khat plus sepak tadi di school building maybe 3 lakhs maybe 4 lakh per building MDA government kuda lek ni kamera kuda penek itu lok kat wi walai kuda percangi pak iwan wan ke challenge ku face pi kuda percangi penjam hagi wan bentau ke sorkar jok mud ke sorkar ye ku lek murah ejai. But we are here in the chairs. We are sleepless because of our own children in the whole state. Ada pai biar givi chinong. Ngaja givi ke por lai beachi sta Bihar. Mama ila lai lang. Terjara kata ke district melinyi bertutu district. Kalau naik arlisi. Kalau man iki politician lak lor ni. Ye yok ke ini ni. The yun ko kita fi school ko setiap lihat dari. Tahu apa ya? Dan di plik state kurang tu naman ni. Terpenduk lu yang remi ngarap kacak mesin ni ya. Hanya haduh ni kesinga sang sorang wong jan. Lam tok ro bakal ampun dan di school ko temu tak diu culi haduh ni kesini. Puan jan. Dekat wong te ukur padi Nonghikai umayar kami kedis ko pindi kesini. Hampa iwan ke sorkar migun bewara. We trust you as our leaders. Pa iwan uduna government, you are there to protect us. Iwan upidunabi, we are here to protect you. That is how we work in the society, and that is the only spirit you'll be able to bring up your districts, especially in the education sector. The boni kam le kam tapo ka juala ke BEd college ko stang ke por yowi ke polytechnic de stang por yowi kam ke MCH le ko man ke health sector de perchang hajing kre ustom yung local le mong which benefit. You can I be given Bujo Kebu Pipe, Haniala Mangasila. Joy Town is the only town. Mempo the whole town Villa, Lambaga Umawaila. Our Praku Sanceni, can you get down with your surface? Comes from Baker leading machine the mechanized work in the whole town. Joy Town. Sakamulti complex miskatu upusang krem step gawi. Kawak na alot na strem handa MG dingtut hakikam tikinkel point ng pencana kamar kami. Memang ibu pa education sector, percang pa iga road sector, percang pa iga health sector, percang pa iga power sector as a government. Hanya satu itu warok. Ada education sector man govt ko. Teman itu defect ikam government. Tekak unai te down. Karena pi gigi jenda ul percang ini government, dabun ba ini deh. Dabun ba percangi, wakamanu protect segi childhood education, kamanu increase. Kamon pun klan ni Nonghikai bumayayo man the most qualified teachers. Kamon pun create a skill program klan like student ni we are now like kuman budakai. Kamon pun create a scholarship ni kipor klan uyo bentag ni bodu yo jingrakhe. Kamon pun klan ni school building, kamon pun klan ni additional school building. Kini wara to ne bentawa yo man ni koni kluri gari hagisni pawdawan. Tamu dulu student emikatuan ini, you should be a fighter. You should be a fighter. Kamu ini, the best student always face the bad teachers, and the good teacher always face the bad student. Hawang gamte, untuk usik Nonghikai, usiki kamu pun baik. Sekarang gua bahapalang ya omon ikon student ini, mangi gua. Untuk bukan ustam. Baik kan saya kentam yobi kan ni buat dramiat kan. Last 10-15 years of yobi, hakasi ku declare ke result metric. Bawa bersifat di first division, setempe cedekut. Bawa bersifat di second division full up page. Cepat di third division kendi page minimum. That's how we feel as a student. And it's high time to realize all this. Kan isi biok 80% biok mulai kos kokwapi. Biok. Now we are living in a competition world. The life is we are facing a lot of challenges. Mensau biok 60% kamu bagian dah kawan mitik di bagi pa. Dah kawan mitik dah ada orang yang mulai pas mitik kona lah. Kan ni do pas sempat cuan lah.
And many more. I would like to take this opportunity to thank them. Today, I stand here as a representative of the government to express my deepest appreciation and gratitude toward the incredible efforts and hard work put forth by each and every one of you. Your dedication and commitment to shaping the future of our nation through education is truly commendable. Today, as we gathered to celebrate the Teachers' Day, it gives me immense pleasure to congratulate all the teachers of our district for their remarkable result achieved in the previous academic year. The outstanding achievement of our students reflect not only their brilliance, but also your guidance, support, and unwavering commitment to their growth and development. I firmly believe that the success of any educational institution lies in its teachers. It is you, the torchbearer of knowledge, who hold the power to transform the life of our children, instilling in them not just academic excellence, but also value, morals, and sense of responsibility toward the society. Your relentless efforts have undoubtedly contributed to the holistic development of our students, empowering them to become well-rounded individuals poised to tackle the challenge of the future. At this juncture, I would like to assure each and every one of you that the government is fully aware of the significance of investing in education and ensuring a conducive environment for teaching and learning. We understand the importance of providing you, our teacher, with the necessary resources and infrastructure to further enhance your ability to deliver quality education. Our commitment to education is unwavering, and we are leaving no stone unturned to fulfill our promises. In terms of infrastructure, we are diligently working toward improving and modernizing our schools, providing well-equipped classrooms, libraries, and labs. We are investing in technology toward facilitate interactive learning and ensure that our students are well prepared to thrive in the digital age. Additionally, we are taking steps to enhance teacher training programs, giving you access to the latest teaching methodologies and tools. We firmly believe that providing you with such amenities and support, it's not just an investment in our education system, but an investment in our nation's future. However, let us remember the success of any education system is a collective effort. We need strong collaboration between the government, schools, administrator, parent, and most importantly, our dedicated teacher. It is through this collaboration that we will continue to see phenomenal results and create a positive impact on the life of our students. Once again, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the teachers present here today and to those unable to join us. Your hard work and dedication are invaluable, and we are grateful for the impact that you have made in the life of our children. On behalf of our government, I assure you that we will continue to working tirelessly to support you in every possible way.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that makes me down, makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck, I don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La la la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La la la, la la la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different 'cause we're learning more and more about life. La la la, la la la.
Yeah.